So now let's see how we can make text fancy by using the word art option inside of Google Slides. So in order to use word art option, I'm going to go around into insert and then I'm going to click on word art. So once I do that, I can go over here and type in something. So I'm just going to type Tutor Tube right here and I'm going to press enter. So once I do that, you can see that I have Tutor Tube as a word art format. I can go around bold it or italicize it as I can do with the regular text as well, but you can see that it is in the format of an image. So I can go around into format options and I can work around with various things. Let's say, for example, I can work around with size and rotation right here, as you can see, and I can work around with position, drop shadow, and so forth. So I can go around, choose some colors right here. I can work around with the transparency. I can work around with the distance right here. I can work around with fill color and border color and everything else. So I'm just going to go around, change the border color right here. Maybe I can increase the border just like this, as you can see, so I can really make it thick. I'm going to just bold it out right here. And then I can go around and change it into dots right here, or I can change it into dashes just like that. I can also go around and change the inner color. And you can see that I can really stylize the text according to what I like. So I can go around over here, change it out just like this. So you can see that you can change around and make your text really fancy by using the word art text. So you can go around, use these options to give it the look you want. You can also add in reflection, as you can see right there, and you can work around with the distance and so forth. So that is how you can work around with the word art option inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.